The automatic peeling machine offers a fast and precise way to peel various fruits and vegetables. It adopts a high-speed, rotating blade system, which ensures smooth, uniform peeling with minimal waste. This equipment is perfect for potatoes, apples, taro, onion, widely used in food factories and central kitchens. It's an ideal choice for replacing manual peeling and improving efficiency.